Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Here I'm back with a new video. Here I'm just gonna tell you what I'm doing to make this bullet journal of January month. Here I have drawn some lines with the help of a pencil, and now I would like to take my sketch pens and I'll trace the lines that I had made with the help of pencil. That was 6 into 5 plus 1 box. Till I'm drawing the lines, can you tell me that from when you are doing journaling? Okay, so here I'm gonna write the numbers like 1st to 31st with the help of my red pen. So here I have made 6 extra boxes to write important dates here. And here I'm writing January with the help of my sketch pen, and I have not used any brush pens here. Now just adding some highlights, and this is the next page where I'm making money record that I used in the January month. Here I'm going to do some painting. I have made a bouquet of flowers, so I have painted in, and now I'm adding some stars around it so that it can shine and look bright. So let us wait till I complete. Here all things are done, and now I'm rearranging my table. Look, I have arranged my sketch pens and now that glass of water, and I'm gonna show you how that looks. And here are the final results as you can see. And now I'm just making the borders more brighter because it was looking a little bit dull. Let's wait till the procedure is done. Here it is done, so take care and bye bye. Oh yes, don't go now. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.